Literally, my first job out of college was here at RKON. I originally applied for the NAC. They loved me, wanted me in there. The professional services team had an opening. They saw what I was capable of and wanted to kind of take a new venture with training people from the bottom up, and that's what I was selected for. So instead of going to the NAC, they hired me to the the professional services team, and that's where I've been working ever since. I have learned so much. So I kind of went in the network engineering side, and now doing security analysis too. So I basically build networks for our clients, and some of them now I test them to make sure that they're secure, and if I find a vulnerability, I try to exploit it, and then I show it to the client what we need to change and what can be fixed and what works well, and advise them best practices. So in my own self, I learn every week from the guys I work with, like Piscata and LeBeau. Those guys are, you can't even put a price on like how valuable they are with the knowledge that they've trained me for. So it's a balance of several different hats that you kind of have to wear in my position, but it's fun. That's what I like to do. I like talking to people. I like working on technology. I like playing with hardware. I like fixing things. It's one of my favorite things. It's when the client's like, "You fixed our problem so fast," or better than someone else could, or at least you gave us a better idea of what our issue was. Those are satisfying things to hear. Yeah, having a good personality that meshes well with our group. The ability to, well, not the ability, but the desire to continuously learn new things. I mean, everything changes in 3 years in this industry. So if you get stuck on something and you want to stay there, you're not going to go anywhere. So you kind of have to be open to learn constantly. And then basically initiative. With our side, it's, you don't wait, you get things done. Like, that's how you make progress. If you're waiting for the client, you could be waiting weeks to do something, where if you kind of push the client a little bit and tell them what you need to get done, it actually happens faster in the long run. To start with, the office is awesome to me. It's a great place. I've worked in some crazy places before, mostly restaurants, and it's horrible. So the environment here is great, but the fact that they guide us, try and teach us how to do the job, I think is the most important part of it, and that's the part that I like the most. I mean, in the end, we're all just kind of winging it, and that's what we're here to learn, is to do it better and do it right, I guess.